In this video, I am gonna teach you how to. Making money from app development requires strategic planning, skill, and persistence. Here are some effective ways to monetize your apps. 1. Paid apps. Charge users a one-time fee to download your app. Works well for niche apps that provide unique and valuable features. 2. In-app purchases, IAPs. Offer free apps with optional purchases for premium features, virtual goods, or services. Common in gaming, fitness, and productivity apps. 3. Subscription model. Charge users a recurring fee weekly, monthly, or yearly for access to premium features or content. Ideal for content-driven apps like news, music, or video streaming. 4. Advertising. Display ads within your app using ad networks, like Google AdMob or Facebook Audience Network. Types of ads: banner, interstitial, video, or native ads. Works best for free apps with a large user base. 5. Freemium model. Offer a free version of your app with limited features. Provide a premium version with additional functionalities or an ad-free experience. 6. Sponsorships and partnerships. Partner with brands to promote their products or services within your app. Useful for niche apps with a loyal user base. 7. Licensing your app. License your app to other businesses for a fee. Particularly beneficial for specialized tools or business apps. 8. Affiliate marketing. Include affiliate links in your app, earning commissions for purchases made through those links. Best for apps that recommend products or services. 9. Selling app templates. If you're a developer, sell customizable app templates on platforms like Codecanion or App Store. 10. Offer development as a service. Build apps for businesses and charge for your development services. Great for leveraging your skills directly. 11. Crowdfunding. Use platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo to fund app development and make money by delivering the promised app features to backers. 12. Data monetization. With user consent, analyze and sell anonymized app data to businesses. Be cautious of privacy laws like GDPR or CCPA. Tips for success. Solve a problem. Build an app that solves real-world problems or entertains effectively. Focus on user experience. A well-designed, user-friendly app will retain users. App Store optimization also. Optimize your app listing to improve visibility and downloads. Market your app. Use social media, influencers, and digital marketing to attract users. Analyze and improve. Use analytics tools to understand user behavior and enhance the app over time.